revolution will be televised. I'll be seen on CNN with a mic in one hand and a fist raised to the sky. And if I play this thing right, then I'll be on the rise from this day to my demise. And all my haters will be like, no one man should have all that power. The clock's ticking, I'm just counting the hours. Stop tripping, I'm tripping off the power. 21st century, I'm thinking all the pies in the wrong hands, cause I'm looking at my palms and seeing nothing. Still no pie, like I don't pay my electrical bill, but I reckon I will earn my fair share though. Plus a little bit more, call me Pharaoh. And I get wild on the beat, call me Pharaoh. With no Chad working with me like I bid him farewell. I'm going solo, cause if it's lonely at the top, then I'm feeling antisocial. No one man should have all that power. The clock's ticking, I just count the hours. Stop tripping, I'm tripping off the power. Till then, fuck that, the world's ours. And then they go, 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 and then they 21st century schizoid man. I can't afford to air even when I make it where I wanna go, cause impatient heirs will kill for the throne. Leave a king lying dead on the ground like scars, bro. But I will not be deterred though, I'm out to be the voice of an empire, James Earl Jones, cause I'm convinced the government is only trying to lie to me. So I'm working on albums while I'm working on a dynasty. Too sure about the outcome? Yeah, probably, but I don't make